Welcome to the Hartford Boat Show 2019. This is the 50th anniversary year being held at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel and I work for MarineMax. Today I'll be taking you through the 230 Vantage Boston Whaler. This particular boat is powered with a single 300 Mercury Verado with a stainless steel prop. As we enter the boat, you can see these boats are purposely engineered. This is a dual console. It's your cruising, fishing, and water sport activity boat. It has plenty of storage for your family and friends. Flip up, flip down seats that turn into a nice Sunpad. You do have another flip up seat here to get out of the way for fishing and cruising. As we come forward to the bow of the boat, you'll see a beautiful dash for your electronics. Bow cushions with storage underneath. There's also a bow table, and this also fills in to become one enormous Sunpad. This particular boat does have a freshwater shower and a windlass. Also, the boat's equipped with this beautiful head, which is a pump out head, and also a sink, which doubles as a shower. For more information, please call Keith Abel at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.